I'm making brownies. What kind of olive should I use? Or olive oil?
No, you should use canola or regular oil.
I don't have
olive oil would taste really bad with that.
Wait. I don't know where it is. Where is it?
I don't know where it is. I think it's gone.
That's all we have. In the tree.
Look at this. Do you ever stop saving the baby birds?
No.
Hey! Look at him.
He's by himself. He probably fell out of the nest. He fell out too early too, because that's what it's saying on Wildlife Answer. He fell out too early.
Why is his eyes closed?
Because that's what they do at this
There he
age.
is.
They sit there with their eyes closed in one spot. Till they're...
Nico, are you curious about the birdie? The birdie? Birdie.
Well then.
You already ate a couple of worms. Now it's raining outside. This is crazy. I gotta get back on YouTube, eh? This is crazy. YouTube is uploading. It's taking too long. Come on, eh? What are we at? 55%. Look all we have.
Oh, look.
You're better off using
Look.
butter. Oh, you did find it. Oh, there's syrup.
There
You're
we
better
go.
off using butter than olive oil. Oh, you got it. Right there.
I know.
She's making brownies. Brownies are delicious.
1/4 cup.
Here.
Water. Half.
I do always unplug that light and tuck
I look
it.
like shit today.
Jesus. Let's go hang out with Ninja. Ninja. It's Miko. He's a good dog. Okay. Ninja. Hey. Hey. Are you a good cat? Oh,
Well, I'm gonna have to put a little bit of oil in there. Olive oil.
He likes that. Look at him. He's a good kitty cat. He's a good kitty cat. He's a good kitty cat. Good kitty cat. Get some light on your face. He's a good kitty. Oliver. Get.
Wow.
Why are you so skittish?
Mauler wowers. Mow.
Me. It's a good doggy.
A pan with cooking shit.
Baby, you got so short. What are you making?
Brownies.
What is this? This stuff is bad for you.
Whatever.
We don't need it that often though. Oh my god, that's a hell of a brownie! What is this?
And then there's
Eggs.
and then
Then what?
I just made you rigatoni.
Rigatoni.
Yeah, noodles, pasta. 5 cheese pasta. Oi! And there it goes.
What is that? You got a hole. A little hole.
I gotta redo them.